A very good morning to you children. Welcome back to your computer class. In this class, we will learn about drawing with computers. Yes, so children, we all know to draw anything in a computer, we need a software. Okay, so without software, we cannot draw anything in a computer. So what we need? We need a software. So in computer, we use Paint software to draw the pictures. Which software we use? We use Paint software. Now children, today we will learn about the paint and how to use this paint, what are the parts of the paint, and how to draw pictures in a paint. So children, this is an introduction chapter. Okay, so in this video I will give you the small introduction related to the chapter. In the next class, I will show you how to make pictures or make drawings in a computer. So let's get started with the topic. Drawings with computers. How to start MS Paint. This is the first step. Now, step number 1, click on the start button. Yes, step number 1 is to click on the start button, which is present at the corner of the window. Okay, so to start a paint window, we have to click on the start button first. Okay, a start button is present at the corner of the window. Okay, now next step is click on all programs. Okay, after selecting the start button, you can see all program button here. So you have to select all program button. Now after selecting all programs button, click on accessories. Can you see this accessories? Yes, you have to click on the accessories button. And the last step is you have to click on the paint button. After selecting accessories, you have to click on the paint button. Okay, when you select paint, you will get this window. Yes, this window will appear on your screen. Okay, after selecting paint, this window will appear in your screen. Okay, now here you can see many colors, many brushes, many tools here. Okay, so by using these tools, you can make picture or you can make any drawing in a computer. Now, parts of the paint window. Let's learn about the parts of the paint window. First one is quick access toolbar. It has button for common tasks. So children, quick access toolbar, it is present at the left corner of the window. Yes, what is it contain? It contains quick use button. Okay, it has buttons for common tasks like save button, undo button and redo button, so we can save the pictures from here. Okay, now next part is title bar. Yes, title bar is the topmost bar of the window, which is present at the top of the window. Okay, so title bar, it shows the name of the file. Okay, this title bar shows the name of the file. Okay, and it is present at the top of the window. Now paint button. Where is the paint button? This blue button at the corner is known as paint button. Okay, it has different options to work in paint. When you select this option, you will get many options from here, like new painting, or you can save a painting. Okay, you will get many options from here. Next is tab. Yes, can you see this home tab and view tab? So these are the tabs which are present in the paint window. Okay, so that we can use many tools from here. Okay, now tabs contain many tools, many groups, many colors, many things in it, so that we can use it. It has different tools arranged in different groups. Now, what are groups? Groups are the many tools. Groups contain the collection of many tools for the related task. Okay, now here you can see these tools. These tools are groups. Here you can see the shape group. Here you can see the colors group. So all these are group. It is a collection of tools. Now next is drawing area. It is the white blank space for drawing and coloring. Yes, children, the blank space you see is known as the drawing area, where you can make your drawings. Okay, this is the working area of your window where you can make your drawings. Now, how to work with MS Paint? First step is to select the shape. If you want to make the shapes and color it, you have to select the shape from the shape group. Here you can see the shape group. Now, for example, I am making circle, so I have to select the shape group and select the circle and oval. Okay, after selecting this oval tool, I have to select the thickness of the circle. Okay, from where I can see the thickness of the circle? This size button. From this size button I can select the thickness. After selecting the thickness, fourth step will be select a color. So I will select the color. Suppose I am selecting red color. Okay, now come to the drawing area. After selecting the colors, the shapes, everything, you have to come to the drawing area and press and hold down the left mouse button of the mouse and drag the mouse. Okay, you have to click on the left mouse button from your mouse and drag your mouse like this so that your circle will be made. Okay, so you have to click on the left mouse button and drag your mouse like this. Now click on the fill with color tool. Okay, after making the circle, you have to fill the colors. Okay, so where you will go? You will go to the fill color option. So where is the fill with color option? Can you see this bucket in the tools box? This bucket is used to fill the colors in a picture, and it is known as fill with color tool. So we will select this bucket, and after selecting this bucket we will select the particular appropriate color. Okay, and after selecting the color, suppose I have selected green color, I have to go to the drawing area and go to the circle and click inside the shape so that my color will be filled in that shape. Okay, now click on the home tab for this. Okay, all these things you are doing in the home tab. So children, I hope you understand how to make shape and how to fill the color. Now I am showing you one video so that this topic will be clear to you all.
Paint. Hello children, I know that you love drawing and coloring. You can do it very easily on a computer. Let's see how we can draw and color on a computer. You can easily draw and color in a computer using Paint tool. The best thing about Paint tool is that you can correct your mistakes any number of times and can try different colors and tools for drawing. To open the Paint tool, click on the Start button at the bottom of the screen. Now click on the Paint option. The Paint window will appear and look like this. Let's start drawing. Click on Pencil tool and move the pointer arrow using mouse to the drawing area. Now click and hold left mouse button and drag the mouse on the drawing area for drawing. You can also erase the drawing by selecting Erase tool from the toolbar. Now let's do some drawing using colors. First, click on Brushes tools and select a brush of your choice. Select the green color from the Colors group and drag your mouse pointer to drawing area. Now, click and hold left mouse button and drag the mouse on the drawing area for drawing. See, I have drawn in green color. Children, always remember to close the paint program when you finish with the drawing. To close the paint program, click on the close button from the control box or click on paint button and then click on exit option.
Children, I hope this video is clear to you all. In the next class, we will see the practical that how we can make drawings in a paint. Okay, now till then, stay safe, stay in your home, and thank you for watching the video.